flattered, my prince. My mother said the beauty of a woman lies in her character. So don't praise me, my prince. You don't know my character yet.
Oh, you're right. And very intelligent as well.
Thank you, my prince.
All right.
I'm very, very happy. My dream is gradually coming to reality. I've always wished to talk with the prince, and it has manifested. Wow! Be a double now.
My dear, I'm so happy for you. I'm really happy for you.
King,
the gods are
thank
famous.
You. Wow, the gods. All thanks goes to the gods who made this possible for me today.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you very much.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I came to apologize to you. Please accept my apology so I can have peace of mind. Please.
You've not wronged me in any way. Let your mind not be troubled and fine.
My mind is troubled. I wouldn't have done the will of the gods. My mind is so troubled, Amaka.
You don't have any reason to regret over what you did. I know it's not your fault. It's the will of the gods.
But you see, Amaka, I love you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart. I fell in love with you from the very first time I saw you walk past me. Please. You have something that I can't find in any woman. I just want you to know that. I truly love you.
I actually came to check on our wife.
Wife?
Yes, wife. The God are choosing her to be our temporary wife.
Chinedu, we have not paid her bride price.
Yes.
No one has done it.
Upon that, the God chose her to be our temporary wife until the identity of the father of the unborn child is known. Amaka, don't just worry, okay? Your bride price will be paid in due time.
Please, I'm not in a good mood now. I want to be left alone.
I went to the other building to look for Prince Emeka and I was told he was here.
He's not in a good mood to see anyone now.
Really? To see that prince that thinks he can use me and dump me cheaply.
Don't let the royal family to hear about what this is.
Who cares?
Where is that prince? Where is that prince? Where is that prince?
Where is he? Come down! Where is he?
Liva, what is it? Young lady, what's your problem? Why are you here? What is your mission here?
My mission is to stay with the father of my unborn child. That is my mission.
Rose, I hope this is not an expensive joke.
Really? Do I look like I'm joking? I look like I'm joking, right? You know what? I am pregnant for you. I am 2 months pregnant for you. So you have to take care of your responsibility. This child here is yours. What's that face? What's that face for? Like I'm lying? Your Highness, this prince here, I am pregnant for your son, Prince Emeka.
What kind of useless tradition is this? How can the two princes make love to the chosen virgin? This is ridiculous. I'm not the bendiga the lende, but not in a situation like this. It's wrong. When such thing happen, it means such tradition and culture should be adjusted. I really pity that chosen virgin. I really pity her.
From what I heard, it was their chief priest that pronounced it.
That is madness. That is madness for all of them. I will not bog myself with their problem. I have a whole lot of problem that is disturbing me here in my own kingdom. As I was telling you, son.
Yes, Father.
The elders came, they were on my neck. What are they saying? That you should get married. You know, that is the only thing that can qualify you to be the prince, the crown prince of this kingdom. The heir apparent to the throne.
Father, I know that I am the next to the throne, but they should give me a little time. As I'm talking to you right now, my relationship with my fiancée is very complicated.
Or not they complicated, or not they complicated. Just know what to do. Nothing complicated. You should know, you have to do something.
How could you? Huh? How could you allow yourself to get pregnant? And you never deemed it fit to let me know that you're pregnant for me?
Who planted the seed? No, I want to know. Who planted the seed? The seed is now germinating and you're here complaining. What do you want me to do?
Uproot it! I want you to uproot it. Take it off or do whatever you want to do.
Emeka, you want me to abort our baby?
I did not say abort. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Get rid of it, okay? If you want to uproot it, whatever you want to do, just do it, Rose.
Emeka, do you realize the implications of what you just said? I never knew you were this heartless. You know what? Nobody toys with my emotions and goes scot-free. I will do everything within my powers to protect my unborn child.
Young lady, since it's your plan to destroy the peace in this royal family, if that is exactly what you planned, I am telling you that it will never work. I will frustrate you step by step. Since you have made up your mind to make my son lose the throne, I will personally frustrate you step by step. Rubbish.
I am here to stay. Everything possible, everything within my powers to protect my baby. I am here to stay.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, son. Have your seat.
Thank you, Father. Father, I'm sorry for what happened.
Sorry for yourself. You acted like a royal fool. You impregnated a girl for 2 months and yet you don't have a slight idea of it. Is this how you will rule this kingdom? Eventually, if you become the next king?
Father, she took me unawares.
How could a girl you claim you love so much hide things from you? She must have an ulterior motive.
Father, I am sorry for the disgrace I brought to you, to this family and to the entire kingdom. I will do everything possible to make things right again.
Well, the deed has been done. All you need to do now is to keep an eye on that girl.
I sure will do that, Father.
It's okay. I've ordered the maidens to prepare a room for her. But remember, you must not add love and sentiment to this matter. Else, you end up achieving nothing in this great kingdom. You can take your leave now.
Thank you, Father.
Wow. Do you know what? I'm very, very happy, very excited, and very glad at what happened today. From the look of things, it's obvious that Prince Emeka will lose the chances of becoming the next king of this kingdom.
You are right, Mom, because an illegitimate child can never be accepted in this royal family. Therefore, Prince Emeka should get ready and marry Rose.
Yeah. Well, my lovely Amaka here will marry your brother.
Excuse me.
Like mother, like father. You both should better learn how to talk. My brother, I understand how you feel, but believe me, the solution to the problem will come. Calm down. Just calm down. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I called both of you here for just because of one thing. One reason. I would like for you to tell me the truth. The whole truth. And nothing but the truth. Since I knew my son, the prince, I've never seen him with any woman. And it's not a good thing for me. I don't like it. Both of you are pretty girls, pretty maidens. I like that. Just tell me the truth. I will even like it. Don't hide anything from me. Among the two of you, tell me who is having something with my son, the prince.
Your Highness, honestly speaking, we don't have anything to do with the prince.
No. Just stop that rubbish. You have to speak for yourself, not we. What do you mean by we? Huh? What's we?
Please, Your Highness, she's telling you the truth. We don't have anything to do with this.
Both of you are fools. We. Which means you can swear for the other person. Just go.
So, what Adora said is true. That you're lying down here alone.
What is wrong with this now, mother?
You have to use your tongue and count your teeth. You're not getting younger, you know. You're supposed to be staying with Amaka always. Especially now that Emeka is having problems. You don't have to give her chances.
I was about to go and see her, but...
Bet what? Chinedu, bet what? Anyanwu. Can't you use your brain? Don't you have sense at all? Show Amaka affection. Make love to her always. So that the forthcoming baby will resemble you. You know?
My spirit told me that the coming child will belong to my brother. Because he said he was the first person that made...
Will you call it crap? What's wrong with the both of you? Always reckless with your words. Please, people should stop disturbing me, okay? You better stop disturbing me.
Inanokwa him now. It's okay, my dear Mr. Innocent Prince. We are not going to stop pestering you until you walk out of this room and meet Amaka in her own room. Or, better still, you invite her over here.
Okay, I've had you both, okay? I'm leaving now.
She's the woman I told you that lured me into a relationship.
Well, as you can see, she's carrying your child. So we can't do anything about it. Go ahead and marry her in as your wife. I just pray she makes a good wife for you.
You know, you can take a horse to the river, but you cannot force the horse to drink from that same river.
But for goodness sake, Rose is pregnant for you. She is carrying your baby. Go ahead and marry her in, because she can only be accepted in this royal family only if you marry her in properly as your wife.
Amaka, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And it is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. Come on. See, I wish I could change the situation on the ground now, but I can't. I just can't do anything. See, I fell in love with you right from the very first time I set my eyes on you. Yes, I did. And since then, my heart has been going one direction, and that direction is you.
I understand. I'll be fine. Marry Rose in as your wife because she is pregnant for you. She's carrying your unborn child. I'll be fine.
She's pregnant. May the gods be praised.
I guess she delivers twins. One for Prince Emeka and one for Prince Chinenye.
You don't shut up your mouth and continue with your work.
When did Amaka become your maid? Couldn't you have called the maidens to carry this?
Amaka is my daughter-in-law to be, so I have every right over her.
On the contrary, until the chief priest makes his pronouncement, which you and I cannot predict, stay away from Amaka.
So what right do you have over me to dictate to me what I have to do in this entire palace?
Oh, you don't know the right I have over you? I have every right over you. I am the first wife, the first queen in this house. Nobody, and when I mean nobody, not even you or something that looks like you, can question my orders in this house. And for now, stay away from Amaka. Get that straight into your royal skull, if at all you have any. Amaka, go to your room. What rubbish.
That was exactly what happened.
What did you say you want to tell me?
About that.
The struggle may last for all I care. Come what may, the destiny will always prevail.
I'm very, very excited and happy today. I just brainwashed Rose.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
I made her know that Prince Emeka does not love her. And I urged her to fight for her rights.
Yes.
And do anything so that Emeka will reciprocate her love. do you know the good news? She promised me that she would do anything within her reach in order to fight for her rights and gain her rightful position. So in that way, it will be a very big distraction for Prince Emeka. And that will leave no other option for your brother to be the rightful king, the next king of this kingdom.
It is wrong.
I'm so happy, you know,
so happy, Mom.
This Rose, she's a real blessing to us. She's a heaven sent. Because she is indeed a big distraction to that fool called Prince Emeka.
Are you sure of what you just told me about Rose?
My dear, I'm so sure, I'm so certain. The baby she's carrying is yours. She only wanted to get married to Prince Emeka just because of royalty's sake. Nothing else. I think she planned on being the next queen of Amifeke. I don't know how she intends on doing that, but that's her plan.
This is serious.
Myrrh. Yes?
Lately, I've been thinking of getting married to a prince. Like, it's just been in my head. I think I'm in desperate need of a prince. I want to marry a prince. What do you think?
So what about Frank?
I don't think I'll be getting married to Frank.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not. You see, it's just been in my head. The royal costumes, you know, everything about the royal family. I've just been fantasizing about it.
You never stop to amaze me.
In all honesty, I'm serious. I really want to marry a prince.
Please get a hold of yourself, please.
Ain't you going to be happy when you become a queen's friend?
Please, can you just talk?
Yeah,
right.
But in all honesty, I really want to marry a prince. That's the truth. So.
I still don't understand why you're trouble.
I am pregnant for Frank. Wow. That calls for celebration then.
At least that will make you let go of Prince Emeka you've been dreaming of getting married. And Frank is a really nice guy, you know. Yes, it is. He's done a lot for you. He saw you through school and he even got the space for you. So I don't see a reason why you should abandon him. No reason.
You know what? I do not care. What I desire right now is what I care about. Yes, I may be pregnant for Frank. But Prince Emeka will father the baby.
What? Girl, you're not serious. You're out of your mind.
No, I am not. I've had this all planned out. Now look at it this way. This is the only way I can get to that royal family. I want to become the queen of Amifeke Kingdom. You know what? Every woman dreams of becoming royalty. And I want to achieve that dream. You better keep my little secret, else the world will get to know you are an asthmatic patient.
Go. You're biting the same finger that failed you. That's so not fair. Frank doesn't deserve this. Not at all.
I do not want to talk about this again.
Women. Rose, you're so wicked. After all I invested on her, I know how much I spent on her. That is because I loved her. I know how I have suffered in abroad just to make money. Yet she never valued me. That baby belongs to me, and I must prove to her and her so-called prince.
Calm down. It's not only the prince's fault. And also take it easy on Rose. And please, don't tell her I told you this. Please.
I hope so.
What is it that I'm hearing about your kingdom? Don't you think it's half solved?
Ezudo, ndị be anyị si, ọdịbendị ga-adịrị ndụ. This is my culture and tradition. You cannot forbid my culture and tradition because I cannot interfere in yours.
I understand you, I understand. But I want you to know this. There are some cultures and traditions that should be amended. Like your children, they are learned people. No. Do you think they will accept?
I know my children. They are finding it very difficult to accept this situation. But I pray the gods of our land that they understand it.
You are my very good friend. I speak with very clear motive. I just want you to look into this culture and tradition and know how to amend it to get an heir apparent to the throne.
Ezudo, please. Please. I don't want to get upset with your advice. Stay away from my culture and tradition. Guards! Guards!
You won't make her go or has it got into this? I'm just trying. Oh, when you police, actually, you police, what over? You police.
Police,
Are the girls really wise? Are she confusion? When rumors are trying to be wiser than the girls. Are the girls really wise? When the foundation becomes the solid truth, you need not fear any fall. When the solid truth becomes foundation.
This palace is full of drama and I'm really enjoying it. The two princes fighting over the unborn child, dragging who owns the child.
This is really funny. The child is not yet born and they are fighting over whom to be the biological father.
There is fire on the mountain. Whom do you think that will be the biological father of the unborn child?
How are we supposed to know? Please, let's go back to our duty post and stop gossiping. Don't forget I'm still the chief lady. Let's go.
Who told you that that unborn child belongs to your son? I don't even care what you think. All I know is that that unborn child belongs to Chukwuemeka, my son.
Let me tell you, the birth of the unborn baby will surprise both you and your son. Well, the last time I checked, my son was the first person to climb on top of Amaka the first day they made love.
Now I can see how little your brain works. Who told you he that climbs first forms the baby? Chukwuemeka, my son, is the father of that unborn child. Get that straight in your skulls.
And let me tell you, the unborn baby belongs to my own child.
Oh, come on, will you shut up? That child belongs to my son.
My own son is the owner of the child. My son is the owner of the child. It's my son. It's my son. Christina, you are the owner of the child.
Keep quiet! Don't you know that only the gods can decide the biological father of the unborn child? Stop giving me headache in this palace! Oh yeah, get inside! Now!
I see confusion.
Guards!
I see confusion. I see confusion. I see confusion.
What was the meaning of that?
I was only protecting what belongs to me. Emeka, you've completely changed. I know you do not care about me anymore. I know it's your tradition that separated us. But then you need to make me happy because of my condition. I'm not asking you to marry me. After my delivery, I will take whatever step you desire of me. But then I'm craving for your attention. You need to give me attention. I've missed us.
See, I love my stepbrother. I wouldn't want to do anything that will bring unending calamity between us. Everything is going to be fine. Everything will come back the way it used to be.
I just miss us. I just miss us.
What is wrong with you? Why is your mood like this? Come on, talk to me.
I don't think I'm ready to face out with you today.
What? Why the sudden change of mind? There is nothing there. You are the only person that can come to the palace and testify the truth.
It's easier said than done. Rose is my best friend. And I know by now she must have told the whole world I'm an asthmatic patient.
You are aunt.
No, not really what I meant to say. Sorry.
It's okay. I understand. Just take your time. When you are ready, you let me know.
I'm sorry I disappointed you today. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, I understand. I bet to take my number.
Whatever I am doing, I am doing for the betterment of this family. I and my brother are fighting over what we don't know where it's leading us to. I don't want to fight my brother over nothing. All I need is peace to reign in this kingdom.
Equal of man, you've spoken very well, my son. But remember, you still have a mission to accomplish. Thank the gods that Amaka is pregnant.
Father, Prince Chinedu can go ahead and marry Amaka. Because I believe that the unborn child belongs to him.
Will you shut up? Shut that thing you call mouth up, else the gods will shut it for you.
Tell him.
Is that Puala? Have you gone nuts? He's only a fool that does not understand his rights. If you're doing all this nonsense because of that desperate called Rose, better forget it. Because you will never marry that girl in this house as long as I live. You are in this together with your brother. and together, both of you will come out of it. Stop getting confused at this point. What is it?
Father, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I am not interested on this throne. Chinedu can go ahead and have it.
Mechiano, shut up your mouth. The gods has the final decision, and not you.
Father, to be honest with you, I am much confused. I don't know what to do anymore. All I want is for peace to reign in this kingdom, and let wisdom guide me.
The gods of our land will help you.
You see? Drink. Cheers. Drink. Drink for wisdom.
Frank, my son. You haven't told me why you...
She aborted my baby.
What?
She took me unawares and killed my innocent baby.
How could she do a thing like that? She must be very heartless to have gone to that extent. I will make her life miserable. Yes, I will make her life miserable. I will make her understand that no one plays with royalty and goes scot-free. No one! Hi! Where am I? Aborting a royal blood? What?
Your Highness, what is wrong?
Where is Prince Frank?
Your Highness, he just left a few minutes ago.
Oh. Okay, you can go back to your duty post.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hello? Why are you disturbing my peace? Is it not obvious that you're deeply in love with Rose?
Amaka, please. I know you're jealous. But I'm seeing all this for a reason. Please, can you come over to my room so we can talk?
Okay.
I want this family to be in peace. I don't like the attitude my stepbrother has given me, all because of this traditional issue. He's making me to hate him, but I don't want that to happen. So I want you to always be with me. Amaka, I know Chinedu will be a good husband to you in time to come.
Have you given up on me? Nika, why did you want to make people start crying now? You said you love me. If you love me, why not fight for it? Fight for what belongs to you. You know I'm in love with you. I'm head over heels in love with you. And I can't manage Chinedu, your brother. Please. I love you.
Amaka, I just want to focus on Rose. That's what I want to do now. I want to focus on her. If we're meant to be together as husband and wife, time will tell. But for now, I just want to focus on Rose.
Okay. Can I ask you for a favor?
Go ahead.
Can I spend the night in your room?
Could she be? She even left her phone here.
Because you are not good enough to take care of a woman. I went to sleep with Emeka as we agreed earlier in the day. And guess what I saw? I saw your slut cuddled up with Emeka in passion.
What? That's not possible.
Then go see for yourself.
What kind of charm have this fool given to you?
Chinedu, how dare you barge into my room like a fool? Huh? At least you should have given me the respect of knocking at my door before coming in.
You are stupid. You are the most foolish person I've ever seen. As far as I'm concerned, this house belongs to my father. Our father. And I have every right to walk into any room I want at any time. I'm talking and you're still holding yourself. I'm still talking and you are still holding yourself. up, man. This is your decision.
Rosemary, I don't. Come on, you're drinking a pregnant woman like you.
Not touch me. Get out of my presence. I said, get out of my presence, you slut from the gutters.
Hey! Me, a slut. Prostitution is written all over you already. The one on your head is written with capital letters.
How dare you call me prostitute?
I am trying my best. I am trying to sort situation here, and you're here. You're not helping matters. You're not helping matters at all. Jimmy, don't let me do something that I will leave.
And what do you think you will do that I will regret? Eh? Can I still fight? Okay, let's do this now. Let's do this now. Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it! What is it?
What kind of evil has come upon the both of you? Don't you know that you are brothers?
He's not my brother.
And you're not my brother either, bastard!
Shut up! Shut up! Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Son, what was this fight?
It's not Emeka. Emeka wants to take away everything from me.
What am I trying to take away?
I don't want to hear any noise from the both of you. Else, I will take a drastic decision that will affect the two of you. Nonsense!
Miserable coward.
Emeka.
Rosemary, did you slap me?
Slap you again if you... You...
What have you done?
What have you done? Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Your Highness. That's how it's done.
Are you sure of what you just told me right now?
100% sure, Your Highness. We can run a DNA test on the baby after delivery, at least to confirm the biological father of the child.
What's going on? When you mad Hagaga? Wonders will never end. So you mean to tell me that after all you did for her, sent her to the universities, did virtually everything in order to make her happy, she denied you, all because of royalty? That is incredible and bad.
No secret is hidden in the eyes of the gods. The gods of this land has a way of punishing such evil people. Well, the lady have just received her punishment from the gods of this land. She's already in the hospital. Prince Emeka and Njideka, my wife, are already taking care of her. She had a miscarriage. Yes.
There is fire on the mountain.
What is it?
The palace is on fire, and I don't know how to solve their problems. They invited the fire, so let them deal with it. If not, when they declare Amaka the most righteous amongst us all, that same God failed to have seen that Prince Emeka has already impregnated another woman. I wonder, it seems the gods are blind and weak. Wham! Because when they chose Amaka to be a virgin,
That was when I knew that the gods are blind. If not, tell me, how would they say the two princes should sleep with Amaka on the same bed at the same day?
I thought of that. Oh! It's high time you removed envy. Why are you so concerned about her? Is it because she's a virgin and you are not?
Chinenye biko oromgoku. Let thunder fire you. Who is envious of who? Me, Amaka. I want to be married like every other Igbo women, not like Amaka. My husband will pay my bread price. God already is. Let it be done according to your word. Oh! What in the name of common sense am I doing with this idiot? I am not your class. Get up! Hey! Believe this. I was hoping that Rose would be a distraction to that Prince Emeka. But now our plans have failed.
Mother, I'm short of words. Everything in this palace seems to work in favor of Prince Emeka. What if they found out that he's the biological father?
May the gods forbid.
They better.
We have to keep hope alive. See, the gods knows how to handle their things. They know how to do their things. This fight, we have already started it. We don't have to back off. Forward ever.
Backward never.
Backward never.
That is it. The gods will not forsake us in this.
Myrrh, why are you so sad?
Frank, whatever I did for you, I did for God's sake. I didn't do it to get advantage of you or anything. Why would you even tell you if I'm asthmatic? And what made you think I'll marry you?
You are the kind of woman my heart accepts and trusts. Please, Mirabel, I want you to marry me. You have a kind heart.
Frank, there are thousands of good women out there, single and waiting. Just go get yourself one. You hurt to know I already betrayed my best friend. And what do you think the world will say if they get to hear I'm getting married to you?
They should go ahead and say whatever they want to say. I don't care. The world will still know the truth.
I don't know. It's just in God's hands right now, because He's the only one that can make this possible.
God will surely help us.
My dream has finally come to pass. That girl is a replica of devil. Yes.
Father, she lost my baby. I never knew she was carrying my child all this while.
Now listen to me. Any girl who is carrying somebody's child and is telling another man that that child belongs to him, while she knows very well that that child does not belong to that man, that girl is evil. That girl is capable of killing. That girl is capable of doing anything. Yes, that girl is evil. Now listen to me. I would like you to invite her. Tell her that I want to see her. Yes.
It's okay, Father. I will invite her. This is the right time for me to reveal my real identity to her.
God, that girl is evil. That girl is wicked. She's a devil.
Baby?
Yeah?
You know you're so caring.
Oh, thanks.
My instinct never lied to me. I was the first to make love to you before my brother, Emeka.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm the smart one.
Wow.
Despite the fact I have no interest to become the next king.
Anyways, let's keep hope alive.
Okay? So how are you feeling?
I'm okay.
How's the baby?
How dare you barge into my room like that?
Well, silence is the best answer to a fool like you. Today is my turn to sleep with her. Why did you bring her here? Huh? Why did you bring her here? That is why you've been avoiding me. You've been avoiding me because you know we have the same right.
What right are you talking about? The right to manipulate her? Or you think she's banana that you can just eat anyhow you want? She's a woman and she has the right to be treated like a queen and also has the right to choose whoever she wants.
I can see you're saying all this just to get me pissed off.
Emeka, you're already a fool. You become a fool when you allow that girl, Rose, to manipulate you, making you to believe that you are the father to her unborn child. As far as I'm concerned, you are a fool.
It's okay now.
You are a loser.
Well, enough of these insults.
What are you doing?
What
are you doing?
What did you show me?
What's nonsense?
Is that what you're trying to do?
You are lying. Emeka!
You want my one child. What is
Get off my bed! That's what you want. Go to your that is what you want. What?
It's okay. It's okay.
I will show you. I will show you the bad side of you.
It's okay now.
Emeka. You know you're like you are not. Just don't mind it. Just don't mind it.
No. You want my one child.
That is what you want, but you won't get it.
Oh my goodness. What is the meaning of this? What happened? Even greet me.
Good morning, Mom.
Morning. Why did he sleep here with you people?
Your Majesty, that boy is clearly a devil incarnate. Do you know he didn't let us sleep a bit? He claiming it was his turn to sleep with Amaka.
Good morning, my queen.
Good morning, my beautiful wife. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay. Did you say he said that it's his turn to sleep here with Amaka?
Yes.
That boy is something else. What is his problem? Anyway, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't let that upset you. Okay? Two of you should dress up. The king says that we have someone very, very important to see. So, you won't like to miss the opportunity.
Okay, my queen. Let me go and get dressed.
Do that.
My wife, I'll meet you, okay?
No competition,
She's such a nice girl. See, my son, we are approaching your destiny. But my advice now is that you should not allow anything, anyone, not even that useless Emeka, to be an obstacle to you.
Your Majesty, you know your son very well. Nobody will come between me and Amaka. Not when I'm still alive.
I trust you, my son. and I know what he can do.
Yes, my girl.
You called me?
Yes, I did. I want you to meet Rose. Reveal my identity to her. I know she will doubt you.
Actually, she will find it very, very difficult to believe that you came from royal family.
This is where you convince her. Make her believe that I still want her in my life again.
But Frank, why not do this by yourself?
Michael, what I feel for her is anger and hatred. I can't stand her. If I go closer to her, I might overreact.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. A friend in need is a friend indeed. I will do it for you.
Thank you so much, Michael.
I got your country kokule. Mba. Oja Dikeh. When you get there, tell them what I've told you that the gods of the land have declared. That's clear.
I shall deliver the message as you've told me, Akroba the wise one.
Hey! I want some kete, honestly. Rosikata, or once now.
Isn't it fit Adika right fit?
I want some kete, honestly, Rosikata, or once now.
Isn't it fit? Adika right fit. Isn't it fit Adika right fit? Isn't it fit Adika right fit? Your Highness, my prince, and the elders of Amifeke Kingdom, I greet you all. It is very clear and known to all of us that Prince Chinenye is now the heir apparent to the throne of Amifeke Kingdom, and no man born of a woman dares question the declaration of the gods. That is the final. No man born of a woman dares the gods. He says, Ezinifite, Adiko Raifite. Ezinifite, Adiko Raifite. That is the final. That is the final.
This is the beautiful downside I told you about. Rose, you are highly welcome.
Thank you. You see, when Michael told me you had forgiven me, I was so excited. I couldn't even explain how I felt. Thank you so much, sir. I am a changed person now. Rose is a changed person. And I...
May the God strike that your useless mouth. You are nothing but a dangerous snake. That is what you are. Thank the gods that your real color has been revealed to my son. Now in Achaka here. Omakana chalo ba. Omakana chalo. Nonsense.
Your Highness, you...
Rose, I have nothing to tell you. I want to use this opportunity to introduce to you my beautiful angel. Come here, baby.
Nwanyị ọcha, ọ bịala ije nwụọ ihe a nawa n'efugo onye nwụọ.
Let's go! My God!